Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to know who viewed my Instagram profile. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Now tap on your profile on the bottom right. Once on your profile, tap on a post. And then in here, you will see those people who liked your photo. All you have to do is to click on the 24 others. And then you will see all the people who liked the photo. That means they just have viewed your profile. Now, those are the people that might have viewed your profile recently. Now, those who also view your story should also view your profile as well. Now, to check on them, I will show you right now. I will go back to Instagram home and then I will view my story. As you can see over at the bottom left, there is an activity. In here, you will see some people who just viewed my story. They probably have checked your profile as well. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.